adjustment is complicated. Today we're going to simplify it. First, it's important for you to know what the spine does. The spine is your nervous system, and your nervous system controls everything in your body. Every organ, every muscle, every cell, and tissue in the body. Now, it does that through these column of 24 pairs of nerves you see right out here coming off from the side, on both sides. Those nerves carry messages from the brain to the rest of the body. So what chiropractors do, and they're the only healthcare profession that does this, is detect and diagnose and correct subluxations. Now, a subluxation is a misaligned vertebra pinching a nerve. And it can do that for a number of reasons. It can do that because of sleeping the wrong way, scoliosis, pelvic imbalance due to a short leg or flat feet, a job injury, a repetitive stress injury. There are so many different things that can cause subluxations in the spine. But it's important to know that if you don't correct those subluxations, they will eventually deteriorate the spine. And you can see here the 3 phases of degeneration. Over here you have textbook normal disc, and you can see that the space where the nerve comes out from the side has enough room to breathe. Over here you see phase 1, and in this particular case it's a disc bulge. But in phase 1 you often have thinning of the discs, okay, and this disc you can see is thinner than the one next to it. And then you also have loss of certain curves in the spine. And then in phase 2 you start to see some arthritic changes right here, thinning disc, and also less space for the nerve to breathe. Over here on the side, you can see the hole is a little bit smaller. And then in phase 3, you start to see the bones fuse together and the disc is almost gone. Okay, all of these changes, all phases of degeneration are irreversible. So it's important to take care of your spine, like you take care of your teeth. You go see the dentist twice a year for a dental checkup, and your teeth only chew food. God forbid, if your teeth rot and fall out, you can have them replaced. You cannot have your spine replaced. So take care of your spine. If you have any questions or comments below about a chiropractic adjustment or the various hundreds of techniques that are used in chiropractic today, feel free to comment.